Hello, guys. Welcome to Journey with Samana. And here I am here once again. I told you I'll be seeing you next Friday, but seeing the response and the love and the support, and one more reason because right now I'm in my hometown and I won't get this opportunity like very often. So I wanted to actually give my gratitude and say thanks to my life journey's beginning which started from right this school. So this one goes to all my Carmelite friends and everybody who is showing their love and support. And I really hope you keep doing that. So this is where I grew up, and this place is called Durgapur. I don't know how many of you know about this place, but of course it is Steel Township, and you might know this place. Let me just take it off because rules are rules. So today's video I want to dedicate to all those people who have some very misconceptions about modeling and which are fueled by some of the movies and news channels, and you know uh, they make राई का पहाड़, मतलब इतने सारे पॉजिटिव साइड्स होते हैं बट वो एक नेगेटिव कांट मेक द होल थिंग जस्ट डिसअपियर. तो मतलब everything has good and bad in it. So if you pick the bad, is is sad. But what I am trying to do is to show you the positive sides. So, and I've already told you this is not a grooming, not a nothing. It is my life journey uh, from a small town girl to fashion model Samara. So, and in the process, I want to help all these girls and guys who are not in metro cities and who belong to different parts of India and who dream big. So, yes. And secondly, this goes out to all the parents as well uh, who might have this notion that this field is not very nice. I understand because I belong, my roots are here, so I understand how people perceive. But that's why I wanted to break that myth. It doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy at all. It takes a lot of patience, hard work, and you know, uh, uh, you need to dedicate yourself to the job like wholeheartedly. Myth number one. This my own friends used to tell me because you know what, when they used to enjoy their college life, I used to work. I started modeling at a very young age. So तेरा क्या है एक you'll just wear एक सुंदर सा ड्रेस पहने की रैम्प में एक दो बार ऊपर नीचे करेगी and you will make shit load money. But the thing which they don't understand is we don't work daily, but we are working daily. By that, what I mean to say is maybe we are working 5 days a month, 6 days, चलो 10 दिन लगा लो, but 365 days कोई शो शूट कुछ नहीं होता. But we need to keep working on ourselves. So this is our daily work. मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर से लेके खाना, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, वर्कआउट. Every day we put 2 hours in the gym, or few people don't like gym, they go do their own workout. So we are not sitting idle. We are continuously working. And it is sad when people just say, अरे इनको क्या करना होता है, हील्स पहन के चलना ही तो होता है. But the thing which what they don't understand is हील पहन के चलना और डांस करना easy, it's not easy, and it doesn't come easy. So that is there. One myth is gone कि खाली heel पहन के चलना is not a part of the job. The part, our lifestyle is also our job, if I'm making sense. Okay. Number two, which I have heard from a lot of people, अरे तो you are a model. That's a sarcastic tone, yes. You are a model, so you must be drinking and smoking, and do you smoke up? And all very negative things. Let me tell you, we are models, we are normal human beings, we have our parents who are strict like any other parents. So that is, see, if you're doing it by your choice, I am nobody to say anything, but just don't categorize models कि मॉडल है तो ऐसी ही होगी. ऐसा नहीं होता है. मॉडल्स भी इंसान होते हैं एंड नॉर्मल इंसान होते हैं. बट एंड यस, थर्ड, we starve ourselves to death. No, we don't starve ourselves to death. We eat and we work out. That is the funda. ये हो गए. And as far as the parents, with all due respect, sir, madam, everyone, it is not a bad field to work. It is a beautiful world, and our line of work, we get respect, we get love, we are accepted by people, and people look up to us. And I'm sure you will agree, a model is just not a model. They are kind of a role model to many people. We might bring in the trend, and people like the way we dress up and our daily thing, but हम लोग भी आपके बच्चों के जैसे किसी ना किसी के बच्चे हैं, और हम लोग भी नॉर्मल लाइफ लीड करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ देयर. सो I really want you guys to understand कि kindly don't demean the profession, or with no offense. I'm sure many of you like it and love this profession, and people nowadays are encouraging their kids to go into this profession, which is a great thing. But who don't, and people who dream to be there, kindly be supportive, because this is a very tough it's very tough job. At times you get lonely. So at that time, if you don't support, I'm not talking money, support, I'm saying mental strength, हौसला, कॉन्फिडेंस. क्योंकि बॉम्बे में डेली 1000 से ऊपर लड़कियां आती है, काम ढूंढती है, करती है, कुछ भाग के आते हैं. ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे all of us need support, all of us need that mental strength कि नहीं, घर वाले हैं, मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. At times we break down, so we call up home कि things are not going our way. So I beg all the parents to be very supportive, not only in modeling, but यार हर कोई डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं बन सकता. Let them work on their own potential and what they want to work, and whichever field they want to go. So that was one bit for today. And as far as the little grooming tips I want to give you, kindly take care of your hands, because अगर आप if you are not putting nail polish, it's okay, keep it lying. But if you are, then be precise. You do it properly in both the hands. एक पे लगाया, एक पे छोड़ दिया, that looks very messy. So never ever do it. अगर लगाने का टाइम नहीं है तो वो दूसरा वाला निकाल दो. That works better. And second is, if you're going out in a rush and your hair is not behaving the way it should and you feel is all over the place, it's looking frizzy, just tie a top bun, make it neat samne se. That gives a much neater look. So yeah, those are the two tips. And yeah, a very important thing I forgot to say. So these kind of nail polishes, okay, these are my real nails. I'm talking about people with, I mean, yeah. So these dark colors and the glitter colors, they don't go off easily. So before putting any dark or glitter based color, put the neutral gel undercoat, put 2-3 undercoats, and on top of that, then put the nail polish so that when you remove it, it comes off easy and your hands don't look messier. So, yeah, that's enough for today. And thank you for being with me in this beautiful town of mine. And I hope you'll keep showing your love. And I'm giving gratitude to all of you and the whole universe who has given me the opportunity to share my experiences with you. Thank you so much. If you like my content, kindly go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Model Samana Official. My Facebook page, Model Samana Official, and my Insta handle, Model Samana Official. And from now onwards, you will see me on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sunday is a cheat day. And yes, don't forget the sipper. Keep sipping water. And I realized I have been talking about gym. If you don't like gym, just go for a jog. Yeah. So yeah, take care of yourself. Love yourself. Once you love yourself, you'll like you. It will be much easier to love others and spread the love and happiness. Signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.